1937 Cord 812 supercharged Sportsman Cabriolet. This is one of just 64 examples originally supercharged, ACD Club certified, owned by a list of noted ACD Club members such as Dr. Frank Hayward and Dr. Fay Culbreth of Charlotte, North Carolina.
This car is beautiful, guys. All right, have a look here. Going to be sold today, ladies and gentlemen, on the little Sportsman cab. We give 350, 300,000. 300,000. What do you want to spend, gang? 100 on bid, 50, 150 there. Do you want to bid 150, 150, 175? 175, Tom. 175, 200, 175 on bid.
This one is a showstopper. I mean, obviously, it's made right here in Indiana.
Yeah, Kayla, this is one of my favorite cars in the auction, possibly one of my favorite cars of all time. A 1937 Cord 812 Cabriolet, but this one's an SC. It's a supercharged Sportsman Cabriolet. So this means you got the bigger motor. Of course, you've got those awesome exhaust pipes coming out of both sides of the coffin hood into the fenders, where you'll notice it has hidden headlights, which was a crazy feature for the 30s. But this also has one of my favorite transmissions of all time, a pre-selector. It's got a little tiny H pattern next to the steering wheel. You put it in the next gear you want, and then push the clutch in, and magically that happens. It was so ahead of its time. It looks like magic now.
It does, and I love the buttery yellow color.
Yes, it is just a fantastic car. Obviously a certified collectible, and the price is certainly reflecting that. I love seeing these. It's a local car, a lot of history, absolutely beautiful. ACD Club member and certified. It's just a great car.
Well, I want to watch and see who gets to go home with it today.
85,000. Just tell me yes or no. 275, 285, 285,000. 285,000. Anyone else want to bid? Beautiful, beautiful certified Sportsman at 275, 285. Just tell me yes or no at 285. I sell the car today. The car is in the market and selling. 275, 280, 280,000 at 280,000. We sell the car at 275 and 280. Are you all done? Second time. Third and final call. Are you all done? I have. Sold.